Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik.
We will see one of the looping mechanism, that is the switch statement. Switch is nothing but one of the loop used to select. From many we have to select one, means it is nothing but a multi-way decision making statement, or we will call it as a looping mechanism. So we will see the syntax of a switch statement. That is, we will have to use the keyword switch. Then we will give here the expression statement, means for which we are matching these cases. Coming in the loop, we are covering different cases, and at the last, when no any one of the case will be executed, then ultimately the default case, the statement or the message displayed in the default case will be executed at the last as a output, and we will complete here the switch expression. Now we will take one example to demonstrate how the switch loop is used to solve any problem in a Java program. First of all, as we all know that for any or each and every Java program, there should be one class. So we will start with the class keyword, that is class, and we will give it a meaningful name like switch demo. Then coming into the main section, we will start with the main section, that is public static void main, and in bracket we all know that it will accept parameter string a. Now we will try to demonstrate, means we will accept one number variable from user, and then we will match it with the remaining cases and print the spelling, or we will take this number as a month number and display the which is the season of that number. Suppose we will take it as a and we will assign its a number as a 4. Now we will pass this a to the switch statement, that is switch in bracket a. Now here in this case, this a will be matched with the remaining case statements. First of all, we will match it with the cases like, we all know that when we have to display the number with its season, then if number is 1, 2, 3, then the summer is there. If number is 4, 5, 6, spring is there. And if it is 7, 8, 9th month, it will be autumn there. And if it is 10, 11, 12, then it is a winter there. So this is all the logical statements. But we not know that which one will be the number or which is matching with which case. So we will cover all the cases like, for example, case 1, 2 and 3, means we does not separate like this here because we will have to take a combined statement for them. So here we print like, the printing statement is system dot out dot print ln, and we will display the season like summer. Now as we had completed this case, we will apply a break, means when any one of the number comes, then this message will be displayed and the loop terminates here. But if the case is like case 4, 5 and 6, then the statement will be like system dot out dot print ln, and the season will be the spring season. and we will apply the break here. Now for next cases, we will take 7, 8 and 9 and display the season like autumn, that is a season name. They for the remaining cases, means remaining months 10, 11 and 12, we will print the message like winter is there, and at the last we will write the default case like system.out.println no season, and at last we will complete switch main section and the class body. So this is all about how to use a switch case to solve any problem. Means we have to multivariate decision, means for these three statements we are giving a single same answer. So such cases can be handled by the switch mechanism.